Today we are talking LevelEleven October release. Have you checked it out yet? There are a few great things that came out in this. We got a lot of good things that are going on. But one of the things I want to be able to call out to you is the ability to send a custom splash through LevelEleven's Channel 11 system. If you're not familiar, Channel 11 can be put up as a live TV broadcast for those that are working in the office. It can be implemented as a widget into your Salesforce instance for those that are working from home so they get notification right away. But now you can send a custom splash directly from a leaderboard. Previously, you had to wait for Salesforce metric to take place. An action would take place in Salesforce that would trigger a splash. Now, a sales leader can look right at their leaderboard and send off a custom splash directly from it. So maybe an opportunity just got closed won, which is great, and there will probably be a splash for that. But that sales leader knows that was a really hard opportunity. Maybe it went dark on that AE, but they were able to turn it around. Maybe an individual got a certification and they want to make sure that everybody knows to motivate that person and maybe motivate others to do the same. You can now do that with custom splashes directly from the LevelEleven leaderboard. For more information, check out the link below in the comments that will take you directly to our release notes, or you could head over to leveleleven.com to request your free demo today to learn about our custom splashes and many other solutions that we offer in our performance management-based solution.